Let's clarify. Front sprinklers typically refers to the windshield washer jets. This video shows you how to use and maintain them on your Skoda Citigo from 2011 to 2020. These washers spray fluid onto the windshield to clear dirt and improve visibility. The Citigo uses a simple, reliable manual system. No modern features affect it. To activate the windshield washers, first turn on the ignition. Next, locate the control stalk on the left side of the steering wheel. Gently pull the stalk towards you. This activates the washer pump. The washer pump activates, spraying fluid onto the windshield. Hold the stalk for continuous spray, but avoid holding for more than 10 to 15 seconds to prevent pump overheating. The idea of disabling the windshield washers on a Skoda Citigo is largely a myth. Unlike newer vehicles with electronic controls, this model lacks a dedicated disable button. The washer system remains in standby mode at all times, always ready to activate when you pull the control stalk toward you. There is no electronic switch or setting to turn it off. The most effective way to disable the washers is simply by not pulling the stalk. While technically possible to disable the windshield washer system by removing fuse 30 from the fuse box under the dashboard, this method should be approached with extreme caution. This is not recommended. Disabling essential safety systems like the windshield washers can be dangerous, as it removes a critical tool for maintaining visibility while driving. Additionally, this action may void your vehicle's warranty. Only disconnect the fuse in true emergencies, such as when the washer pump is running while the reservoir is empty, which could cause damage to the pump motor. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your windshield washers working. Start by checking the washer fluid reservoir located under the hood. Top up the reservoir regularly, especially in dusty or cold climates, using Skoda recommended fluid to prevent freezing. Inspect the nozzles for blockages and clean them carefully with a pin if needed. Clogged nozzles are a common issue, especially on older Citigo models. If the washer fluid isn't spraying properly, the nozzles may be blocked by debris. To fix clogged nozzles, try cleaning them with a needle. Insert a thin needle or wire through the nozzle hole to remove debris. Alternatively, compressed air can blow out the debris. Use an air compressor nozzle carefully to avoid damaging the nozzle. To prevent clogs, always use high-quality washer fluid. Low-quality fluid can leave residue that blocks nozzles over time. After cleaning, the washer fluid should spray evenly onto the windshield. Imagine you're on a road trip and the nozzles clog. You can disable the system by removing fuse 30, carefully clean the nozzles with a needle, and then re-enable the system by replacing the fuse. This restores spray function without any cost involved. First, disable the system by removing fuse 30 from the fuse box. Next, carefully clean the nozzles with a needle. Finally, re-enable the system by replacing the fuse. This restores spray function without any cost. While the Citigo's system is simple, newer cars integrate washers with rain sensors and even infotainment systems. Future trends include AI-driven activation and sustainable fluid technologies. But for the Citigo, mastering the manual system provides a solid foundation for understanding vehicle controls.